In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from iPhone 11 to iPhone 15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to transfer contacts from an old iPhone to a new one, follow these steps and you will be able to do it. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone 15, 16, if it's the standard version, the Pro Max version, you will still be able to follow along regardless of the model. So to start, on the old phone, go into the settings, and for this method, you will need to be signed into your Apple ID or your Apple account. So it should appear at the top when you go over to the settings. Make sure that you select it from here, and then under Apple ID, you will find the iCloud settings. So choose iCloud. Now, you will see the current status of your iCloud storage, how much you have used, the features, and so on, but the most important thing is to go over to Saved to iCloud. In here, you can configure what applications are saved inside of iCloud, and you can also import your contacts. So all that you have to do is on the old phone, make sure that your contacts are saved into iCloud. This will make it extremely simple to transfer them to a new device. As long as the contacts are being saved to iCloud, the last thing to do is to perform a backup. So if this was disabled, or if it was already enabled, it's recommended to double check, go into iCloud, and start a backup right before transferring. This way you can ensure that the most up-to-date information is going to be transferred over. So choose backup now on the old phone, and after all of this is done on the old phone, you can essentially log into your iCloud account on the new one. So on the new iPhone, aka the iPhone 15, open the settings, sign in with your Apple ID, the same one that you used, and check to see if contact synchronization is enabled. As long as 1. You signed into the same Apple ID, and 2. You enabled the contacts synchronization, as soon as you open the contacts application, all of them are going to appear. Just make sure that you are connected to the internet and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer contacts from iPhone 11 to iPhone 15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.